Hey everybody, we told you we're going to be doing some Halloween DIY crafts today. And a little warning, not all of us are the craftiest.
I think in this instance, none of us are really the craftiest so
no.
far. We thought we would kind of get the ball rolling a little bit on this craft because it does take a little bit of time.
Yeah.
And so far, none of us have really the gentle touch.
No. We have broken candy corn. I have super glued my fingers twice to this styrofoam ball.
And I just got toothpicks everywhere. So that's how far I've gotten.
Maya, what is going
It's
on?
supposed to be an M. It's an M for
Maya.
Maya.
Oh, okay. That's how
Yes.
All right, well, we'll show you what we're trying to do today. We're trying to get you to have some decor for your home. And the goal is these really cute, like, candy corn covered balls that you can put in a fancy dish or a cauldron.
Yeah, something easy that you can do with the kids.
With the kids. Yeah.
Be
stuff
careful
that you
with
have
the
in your
toothpicks and the
Toothpicks
glue
can
though.
be a little tricky.
Yeah.
Glue
So-
can also be a little tricky, as we're discovering.
Right. So let's walk you through what we've done so far, and we're going to kind of tell you if this is a bust or not.
Okay.
We're learning as you learn. Yeah. So we have candy corn of all types of flavors. We've got the pumpkins, the regular, some chocolate. We didn't know if we should go glue route or toothpick route. So far, the toothpicks have won.
The toothpicks might be handy because with glue, you got to hold each individual corn in place until it dries and you can move on to the next one. So I thought with the toothpicks, maybe, you just stick like a little bit of the toothpick into the bottom of the candy corn,
Yeah.
and then from there, you just go right into the globe, if you will. And
is
so
a
basically you
disaster.
just do that until the whole thing is covered
Okay.
in little candy corns that stick out, and then you have this sort of neat little centerpiece thing that you can play around with for any Halloween parties that you have, especially if you've got little kids.
Yeah, that's
Could
true.
be a fun little accessory for their own
Yeah.
Halloween party.
Not sure how safe it is, but I mean, you can give it a try and see how it goes.
All right, we're gonna keep working on this. We're gonna check back in just a minute. All right, well, my hair's disheveled. I'm sweating. This is stressing
That
me
was
out.
a little rough.
Yeah.
As you can see, we're really only partway through this. Like, this is a time commitment of a craft.
Yeah.
This did not turn out the way I think we all wanted.
No.
Let's show off our finished product.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm still going.
No, you're great. So the goal was, just use your imagination, have these everywhere. There were spiky balls, and you could stick them in a beautiful glass dish like this, and have a cute little decoration.
Yeah, I think maybe if you wanted to put fewer candy corns on the sphere and be able to have it look, maybe like paint the ball black first.
Yes.
Like,
That's a good
paint
idea.
it black, and that way it'd be harder to see any empty
Yeah.
spaces.
Well, we had fun, and of course, we're always going to be here to try things for you. Gorgeous, Maya.
Thanks, Paige. I tried. And I had the biggest one, so.
True.
Yeah,
The
you should sell
surface
it.
area to cover.
You should sell
We
this.
should have gone with even smaller ones.
So cute. We're going to be back tomorrow trying some more crafts.
Yes.
We'll let you know if those work or not so you don't waste your time. Yeah. For now, I'm going to eat this, throw this away, and call it a day. More CoastLife's coming up.